Hi everybody, it's Shels for Let's Talk About the Music. I want to say thanks for listening to Let's Talk About the Music on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and in BlueSky. So I want to say hi. What you working on? What you doing? I'm working on blogs. I'm going to be dropping some new music reviews tomorrow and probably on Tuesday. So if you guys are interested, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm bored. I am a dumbass who forgot her power cord to her laptop, so I can't work anymore. So I'm trying to figure out what in the world can I possibly do while I'm at work. Shh, don't tell anybody. I'm working at work. So anyway, hi, what you doing? How you doing? And all that jazz. Okie dokie. Alrighty. Well, you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you next time when I forgot my freaking power cord to my laptop. Okay, bye-bye. Let's talk about the music, because the music is everywhere.